What it is, guys, it's your girl Mirah Gustaní, and I'm back with another YouTube video. So I'm not in the same place that I usually am because today I'm going to run a little bit of errands for, my Miami trip. So I'm going to add all the clips in. I'm going to get my reaction to getting a virgin Brazilian wax. Yeah. This video is not going to be so long, so just sit back and relax and enjoy the video. I'm gonna say is don't come for me because I'm getting my hair done. I just was doing everything before I got my hair done, so don't come for me.
That soft hair,
Okay. So I'm not quite scared. I feel like people over exaggerate, but we're gonna see how this goes. And yeah. It's not that bad at all. It's just warm.
It's done in one time. It's okay. It's not happening that much because people gonna start. Your hairs are coming out within one time. That's the good thing.
Oh my God.
Now keep continuing with the Brazilian.
Oh.
Oh no, it's done almost. It's not that much now. It's kind of like.
So what it is, guys, I'm currently in the car. Y'all not used to seeing me with glasses on, but I wear glasses. I'm in the car right now, and today is day 2 of me running errands. I'm gonna go get my suitcase today. I'm gonna go get my stuff for my hair, and basically that's it. So I'm gonna be taking y'all with me once again, and we're gonna be going to get more stuff. Gonna go run errands. I'm in the car right now waiting for my mom to come downstairs. And so yes, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel so you can see my vlog of my trip and everything. So like, make sure you subscribe so you can see the other videos that goes from here to there, because if not, then I don't know how y'all gonna see it. Y'all gonna see the preparation, but y'all not gonna see the video. So y'all gotta make sure y'all subscribe, guys. Subscribe, period. So we went to 3 stores by now and found nothing. So now we're going to Target to find a suitcase carry-on size. I'm not trying to be specific about it. I just need one that has enough space in it. I think she's tired of me right now. So I just got back home from getting my suitcase, and right now I'm gonna just pack all my stuff. Don't mind my sneakers and stuff that are over there. So we're gonna do that right now, and I'm gonna do my sneakers first. So I don't know. I was looking for a nice size suitcase, and I went like 4 stores. And tell me, it's ridiculous. It's crazy. your business. Don't be in my business. Don't do that.
Here I'm showing you that I did not put my sneakers on the other side. I decided to put my underclothes and pajamas. I'm gonna put my shoes in my duffel bag.
Crazy, don't come for me, because when I get my hair done, y'all can't say nothing to me. But this sums up the video pretty much. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next upload when I'm actually in Miami vlogging, soaking up the sun, and having fun, okay? So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified when I post that next video. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.